At Beltone, we believe that dealing with hearing loss is a team effort. And we are right beside you every step of the way towards better hearing. Introducing Beltone Amaze, our most complete and premium hearing care solution yet. Now you can make every day amazing with unparalleled sound quality in any situation.
Bye, honey.
Bye.
Beltone Amaze delivers a truly amazing hearing experience, allowing you to pick up on even the finest details again. And it brings you a richer, clearer, and fuller sound compared to other hearing aids. The discreet design and all-day rechargeable battery lets you stop worrying about your hearing, so you can focus on the people around you.
You ready to play some baseball? Come on, the team's waiting on you. Let's go.
That's when amazing things happen. With the Beltone Hear Max app, you can prepare for any situation. Change settings or use the game-changing remote care feature to request personal assistance and fine-tuning in between office visits.
Josh, you're up. Come on, Josh. You can do it.
Beltone Amaze is truly like hitting a home run, allowing you to be on top of your game in any situation. So what are you waiting for? Go out and reconnect to the world. Go out and make every day amazing with our most complete and premium hearing care solution yet.